Hi guys, this is Noman, and today we are here with a new, for the first time, very interesting issue and a very interesting video. Well, we have received this console and a card from our customer, and when it is powered on, so it remains like this, and nothing we press will not work. Basically we found out that this is not a normal keypad. It is a you can say like a uh, light based keypad. So whenever we pressed, there must be a light, and when we press, there is some kind of you can say interaction between the hands and the lights. And just when we press the keypad, it gives a command to the upper board. So when we received this, we found that the keypad, none of the buttons in the keypad were working. So uh, we just powered it up, and when we powered it up, we saw that nothing lights up here in the keypad. So uh, let me show you that where was the problem. This was basically a keypad backside, and these were the this is the basically LED strip. This is a LED strip, and this LED is powered up from this port. So first we check out that let me show you the LEDs. So we just bring it out, and you can see that there are some LEDs. Basically these LEDs transfer to the glass, and when we just press, there is an interaction. There is a we can say a kind of our hand react as obstacle, and that command is fed up to the board. So uh, the main problem we were facing, that our LEDs were totally off, and these LEDs are fed up from here. So we check out this board. We have changed many SMD capacitors and resistances here that were faulty, and we have also applied a thinner, so if there is any kind of dust, that should be blown out. After that, we just remember, this is a card, 10 pin card, that is integrated with it. So after that, when just we started uh, the uh, our board, our system, it was working fine. Let me show you after tightening it up. And remember, when you do this, always change this ribbon. There is many of the problems that are occur because of this ribbon got too old. It does not continue show continuity. So the anything you press, the command is not fed up to the main board. So I changed the components, I changed the ribbon, and after that I tested it, and it was working good. Now let me show you. So now we are again lighting it up. Now this is the system. This is a start button. You press it. Now here the timing starts, and now you can see that the bulb is glowing. Now Bilal, kindly press the speed up button. He is pressing the speed up button from here, and you can see the bulb is glowing brighter. So friends, this is all, and as you can see that this was not a bit big issue, but it is a tricky issue. So many of our friends try it, and when they saw that this is a light panel, and so they think that this is a kind of a very difficult thing to repair. So I told you today that it is not difficult, it is very easy, it is a common repair thing, but you have a bit knowledge about that. So friends, like my video and share it also, and subscribe to my channel if you are interested in repairing different kind of things. And if you have any issue regarding today's video, you can contact me on WhatsApp, on my email. I will surely help it out. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.